Okay. Again, palapakan natin si DJ. Happy birthday, DJ! So this time, before we start our game proper, so this time we will have first, DJ, hello. Okay. Hi, Mama. Say hello. Hi. Hello.
Smile. Pwede naman po.
Nag-hi siya. Sige. This time, before we start our game, we will have first a prime up game. Okay, ano siya ang prime up game? So we have group 1. Kailangan ka mo group 1. Okay? Tapos, yes. Again, group 1. Come on, group 2. Ang sato nga, group 3. Ang salikod, group 4. Okay? Ang pinakadamo, of course, ang group 3. So, no ang group 3. So, we have group 1, group 2, group 3, and group 4 at the back. Our kind of game is what you call the hand parade game. Sino ka ba daw? I know na yan. Familiar sa mga pakinig. But take no adults and kids. Hindi ka muna action. Hindi ka muna tindog. All you have to do is to shout, either hand help or hooray. Okay? I-extend them dito ba ang iyong hands? Like this. Jump up! Hooray! Jump up! Hooray! Jump up! Hooray! Magsalay sa salaka mo sa din. Okay, so dapat parang yung sa shout. So adults, again, I need to support this time. Okay? When you're gonna you can make it louder as long as you can. Okay, ready? Group 1, wala action ha? Mag-shout it lang. Ready? Group 1, go! Ay, sala. Dapat rin na. Okay, so this na yung final game na. Mga tintato ito, gaya yung tipo. Ha? Make it louder. Ano naman? Ano ba tulog yung group 2? Energetic. Sino na ang leader nyo? Ang wapan ka ba? Sige, sige. Group 1, make it louder. Dapat may energy. Group 1, go! Okay, nagsala sa natin. Again, makamunsin mo, group 4, padanong group 3. Okay? Group 1, go! Everybody please, palapakan na ng group 1! Thank you very much, group 1. Group 2, ready, go! Ano? Wala pa ka lang ito ng group 2. Okay, group 3 and group 4, we're ready. Group 4, go! May pangato, pinaganoon. Naduha na kakalo. Sir, may habol. Wow! Okay, thank you very much for joining Group 4. I know that extend ko sa inyong effort para mag-gawag ang Group 4. Today's time, kids! It's time naman for the game. So, tanang kids, makatusa ko nga in 4 in 1 big circle. Tanang kids, makatusa ko nga, go!